Hey guys, what's going on? It's Russell. Thought I'd do a quick update video on Michelle's small account challenge in sidekicktraders.com. So I'm getting inundated with questions about this new small account challenge, so I thought I'd do a quick video updating you guys on the new total percentage gain I've had personally on this and answer a few of the questions. So if you're not familiar with Sidekick Traders, it's a site that I co-founded last year. Basically, we do stock and options trades. We are primarily buyers of stock and options. We don't really do any premium selling, and that's one of the questions that came up this morning is, are you selling options? Because the win rate I've been posting is just so incredibly high that people are thinking that it must be selling options for premium, but it's not. It's actually buying calls is the main strategy that Michelle's using. So Michelle's a moderator in Sidekick Traders. This is her. She started the small account challenge 2 months ago now, so September 1st. And we've just been taking these small trades every day or every other day, just buying simple contracts and holding them for anywhere from 20 minutes to overnight holds. Usually they're done with day trades though, and we've had a ridiculous success rate. So one of the first questions the guests get asked is, can I join or is it too late? Well, it's never too late. Although we're calling this a small account challenge and Michelle started with $500 in the account, the idea is to grow is just continuously, right? There is no end goal. It's not 500 to 1,000 or 500 to 10,000. It's just keep going. The reason a small account challenge works so well is just because your risk is so low, right? If you start with $500, the absolute maximum you could ever lose is $500 net loss from the account, right? And it also helps new traders start to grow their accounts quickly and get their accounts up. But I'm actually trading this in several accounts, and I know Michelle is as well. So let me just show you some of the recent results. So here is a list of what we've been trading. So it's different for everybody. So it's sorry, it's cleared my throat. It's different for everybody because basically you trade this strategy on your own sort of terms as well. So it's never a good idea to blindly follow somebody, and people have busy lives. So some people are getting in trades, some are not. But this is my personal track record. I've only managed to get in about half the trades, so 16 trades over 2 months, and the percent that I'm up is actually 162%, which is utterly crazy. So I started in one account with 500 and grew it to 1,300, which is 162% profit, which is just insane. Michelle is, I think, around just a bit more than 100% profit. Let me show you her track record really quick. Always hard finding this. Let's see. So Michelle, small account. Let's go. This is a Discord where she alerts these. Alright, so here's her track record. Hopefully you can see it. I show this every video. Maybe that's easier. So this is the start date over on the left here, and all these trades, there's about 30 something trades. You can see it's just small consistent wins. So here's the strikes for the contracts. Here's the entry price, target price, actual exit price, and profit and loss. So you can see it's all like on a $500 account, it's like 10, 20, 30, 140, 12, 5. You can see that she's basically not had any losing trades, a couple in the whole 32. So you can always come into Sidekick Traders on a free 2-week trial and check out the track record in more detail. Nobody really believes me when I say this and I show all this stuff. They find it really hard to believe that this is something that's possible, but Michelle's an amazing trader. She spent a lot of time and a lot of money teaching herself how to trade. She actually started with Raging Bull and learned from Nate Bear there, and then basically became her own trader and started trading professionally full time. So she's the real deal. Let me see where we're at. So can I join her? Is it too late? Nope, never too late. We're just going to keep going. Like I said, I trade it in multiple accounts. Michelle trades it in multiple accounts. And people are using anywhere from 500 starting to several thousand starting. So Small account challenges for everybody. So I think we covered this. The high win rate is unbelievable. Are you selling options? Nope. We're buying calls. I'll give you an example in a minute. And is this a scam? Everybody always asks this. I think people miss out on a lot of really good stuff because they are too skeptical of things and they think things are scams. And no, this is not a scam. So let me show you one of the accounts. I've been trading in 2 or 3 different accounts. The small account challenge, this is what I call my medium account. So I started trading the small account challenge here in the medium account. So October 20th, it was at 7,000 and you can see it just goes straight up and we're just pushing 9,000 now. So that's my medium account. Yesterday's trade is not included in this, or today's. So if I go back to here and show you the real-time time-stamped trade just from yesterday, for example. So in Ms. Small Account Challenge in the Sidekick Traders Discord, you can see that Michelle posted yesterday at 3:34 Eastern Time. I'm in Central Time, so it's an hour different. She said, watching IWM 11.5, 224 calls. Now, she actually meant 234, just corrected her. For a quick day trade, don't pay more than 190 to 195, looking to get 2 contracts. So I bought 2 contracts in my small account, and when she actually starts taking this trade, it pops up over here in a thread dedicated to this trade. So if you go over here, hopefully you can see this. Zoom in. No, I can't really zoom in. So you can see that this is the IWM 234 calls, and Kaylee got in at 195. Michelle missed it, so she not quite sure. She was probably waiting for a bit more confirmation, but I haven't talked to her about that. She didn't get in. Skyman got in at 199. I got in at 195, and it took off. So she was right, and I see this all the time. People that are learning these trades often miss out for whatever reason, and some of the subscribers that are a bit more gung-ho end up getting in. Anyway, this thing took off and ran 10% pretty quickly. I got out at 213, other people got out 215, some people got out at 220s I think as well. Let's see, yeah, Skyman got out at 223, he was a bit late, so he got 12%, so that's awesome. So yeah, so that's me saying this one brought my small account challenge to 162%, 15 wins and 1 loss. That's pretty cool. So let me just show you the IWM trade idea. So this was the time that Michelle said she was watching it, and you know, I haven't spoken to Michelle in detail about this trade, but what I watched was the cross of the 8 and the 21 EMA, so the red and the green line. You can see that it had this like flaggy type pattern here, and then it started to break out on the 1 minute. And look at this thing, it just ran up. So I took a position here with those 234 contracts, and then we were almost in the money here. So that was 10 minutes, so from about 14:30, and if you look at the timestamp on the Discord, yeah, so here. So I took that quick 10%, that was awesome, and that's what brought me to this 162%. It was I think 150% just the other day when I did a video, so you guys can check that out if you want. Anyway, that's all I've really got to say on this. You can join whenever. The win rate is buying call options, it's not selling. It's not selling for premium or doing spreads or anything like that. And is it a scam? Well, no. I don't participate in scams. It's legit. Michelle's an amazing trader, and if you want to come and check us out, there's a 2-week free trial, so you can come in, look at this, paper trade it like I think Skyman's doing, want to practice for sim trading, and then decide whether Sidekick Traders small account challenge is for you. Alright guys, till next time, cheers.